Greetings, Ben Murray here with another edition of SaaS Metrics School. Today, why is department coding so important within our SaaS business? And this is the second pillar, in my opinion, in the proper SaaS accounting foundation. First, we need the proper chart of accounts, which I addressed in episode 17. And then on top of that, we need the proper department structure in our accounting software. So what are departments? Well, these also can be called cost centers, but it's tech support, it's services, it's customer success, DevOps, R&D, sales, marketing, G&A. So those departments within our SaaS company. Now you may have some variations, and if you're a very large SaaS company, you may have sub-departments or sub-cost centers under that. For example, G&A, you may have HR, finance, tax, legal, for example, if you're a large SaaS company. But these are the departments that overlay our chart of accounts, again, which I addressed in episode 17. So as we're coding revenue and expenses to our chart of accounts, our general ledger, we're also coding, for example, expenses to a department. So was that sales travel? Was that marketing travel? Was it the CEO traveling? We've got to get that coded to the right GL account and to the right department. And then it's really easy to create our SaaS P&L because we want to avoid the big bucket of expenses. And we don't know where these expenses are attributable to. Now with revenue, you can either code product line revenue to a GL account. Now, if you have hundreds of SKUs, I don't recommend that. Then you would want to use another dimension or even your subscription management software if you need that level of reporting from your revenue stream. So that there are a couple ways on revenue if you want to get really detailed there. So within your SaaS business, identify those departments. We want to match headcount to those departments in our HRIS system. So that flows to our general ledger when we're posting payroll. So it's coded correctly. And then again, each accounting system calls this something different. In QuickBooks, we have classes, departments, NetSuite, Sage, Xero. They all have different nomenclature for this, but in essence, it's an additional dimension. You can think almost like metadata that we're attaching that debit and credit to. So this is a key part of our monthly financial close process. It's just one little extra step, really not that hard, and something that I reviewed with every close. I reviewed all the department coding just to make sure all expenses were hitting the right department. So you want to put that as part of your financial close process, have good detail, and really it takes 100% coding. So I always check to make sure all expense debits and credits hit the right departments, and there was nothing coded to say like an orphan or non-department. And then, of course, then this sets us up for nice financial analysis and accurate SaaS metrics calculations. So again, we've got a flow as we mature through our metrics maturity, accounting foundation, chart of accounts, department coding, and so on. So a little bit about department coding and why that's so important within our SaaS business.